Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really awesome pixel effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start off with our background image or a reference image. I locked it in place and I did that by pressing Command 2 so that I don't accidentally move it anywhere and it just stays in the same spot all the time. I'm then going to click here on the little plus sign to create a new layer. Then I'll click and hold where the line segment tool is, and I'll grab the rectangular grid tool. Now I'm going to make my grid as big as my artboard, and then I can double click on it to edit the number of rows and columns. You just have to try different numbers, and as you can see, this is way smaller but still not fine. I'm gonna go with 60 maybe. Right, there we go. Now this is better. Make sure you have a stroke color. Go ahead and click and hold where you have the shape builder tool and select the live paint bucket. You can now choose whichever color you want. For example, I'm gonna go with a pinkish color for my background. You just want to click and drag, and it'll automatically fill this up with the color you're using. So let's say I want to make my leaf a little blue. I'm gonna go ahead and draw wherever I want my leaf to be blue. And just fill your entire page in. It's really cool and easy technique that anyone can make, even if they don't know how to draw, and you can make some really awesome stuff with this technique.